Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a quick test to see the shotgun mic media mod on the GoPro. I'm testing out the microphone that I picked up, just trying to get a baseline to see what it sounds like that the viewer can hear. Right now it's just using the GoPro microphone with the media mod attachment and the shotgun mic. From about, let's say about 15 feet away, so 15 feet from where the GoPro is standing. This is what it sounds like with just the GoPro mic. Now I'll test the microphone that I have attached to my collar here. Okay, this is the microphone attached to my collar. This is the HollyLand. It's a budget-friendly user. I guess it's like a beginner kind of a user microphone. I've got the GoPro set up again about 15 feet away, and I have the collar attached, or the microphone attached to my collar here. It also has the dead cat to decrease wind noise. See what that sounds like whenever I do the editing on the video. But this is probably the distance as far as where I would probably keep the GoPro away from the sparks, away from the arc welding, away from the grinder and all the dust and all the sparks and flakes and stuff. But yeah, the next video I'm working on right here, I'm hoping that the audio quality is pretty good so you can pick up what I'm saying. But the next video is going to be this I-beam that I've been building together. I'm going to be hanging that up into the ceiling. It'll be about 21 feet long, and it'll be just over 8 feet high. So I think that's plenty of space to give myself the ability to lift up some heavier items. I'm talking, 400 pounds max probably, because I don't want to overdo it and destroy my ceiling, have the roof cave in or whatever. But yeah, this is just a test to see if this microphone is picking up what I'm putting down.
I was able to build this in a
garage
with a box of scraps!